Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to learn how to use clone stamp tool. Alright, so how this works is the tool makes a clone of whatever you take a sample of. Alright, so let's suppose we need to make a sample or we need to clone these lemons over here. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to select the clone stamp tool just like this, and to take the sample just press Alt, and when this icon pops in your screen, just click just like that. All right, so now I'm going to make it over here, and you don't need to do anything, just click and drag your mouse. You can see as I'm dragging it, I'm also taking the sample of the 3 lemons on the right hand side as well. Just make this, and yeah, we got it. All right, so thank you for watching the video.